Hey, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well. I surfed the aftermath of Hurricane Isaias. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but you guys know what I'm talking about. The hurricane that hit Long Island. The last video that's on my channel, you guys can check it out. I surfed before the hurricane, I did surf the day of, and then I surfed the aftermath. So I'm gonna roll in some clips that are insane of that day. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now tell me, was that not the best surf session you've ever seen? No, for real guys, that session was so bad. I surfed horribly, the waves were choppy. I really thought it was gonna be so much better than that, but it really wasn't. I tried to make do. I did surf way more than the footage shows, but basically I had my dad try to film from the beach, but he really couldn't see me in the water, so I just ended up with a couple clips, but that's all right. So we'll move on from that. Forget you guys saw that. I surfed the hurricane beforehand and got some good waves, so that's all that really counts. Now I'm gonna roll in some clips that are much better, not very good, but better than that, of me, Aiden, and his friend Derek surfing some small clean waves. So enjoy those, and I'll see you guys in a second. No, those waves were definitely much better than the previous day that you guys saw, but it still wasn't great. It was sort of small, but it was clean and fun nonetheless. I was messing with the GoPro settings a bit, which is why it looked a little bit different. I was using Max Hyper Smooth, and I was also using the Horizon Leveler to try to just experiment and get a new look, but it ended up cropping the video and didn't really work out the way I wanted it to, so for the future, I probably won't do that. This thing right here is the bane of my existence. This right here is the mouth mount leash, and this thing sucks, man. This thing is so bad. You guys could see it's like rusting, and basically it dangles in front of my lens, so it ruins shots, and it's really just a pain in the ass, to be completely honest with you. So I picked this thing up right here, and this is a Host Stevie mouth mount leash. Same brand, because I do like the brand. It feels durable, man, so I'm excited to test it out. So all you gotta do is strap it on your arm, then you got this flexible cord that allows you to paddle while having the GoPro in your mouth. So I'm hoping this thing works. It feels very durable. My only concern is that it might cut off circulation on my arm. Hopefully not, but I'm gonna have to make it pretty tight. Otherwise a big wave is gonna slip right off. So we'll have to test it out. All right, last bit of news for the day, I promise, and then hopefully we'll get some waves. My dad is actually out buying a new surfboard right now. He was pretty insistent about getting one for himself. My brother, who you guys have maybe seen on the channel, learning, but also obviously if there's a new board in the house, I'm obviously gonna use it, test it out, maybe even today. So I'll show you guys that when it comes. It's gonna be a 7.6 board. So see you guys in a little bit.
Go open it. You should pose right there. That was the same as Dylan's first board pose. On the board and we'll take a picture. That would be so funny. That could be our Christmas picture. Speckles on the surfboard. It ruins the whole look of the board, the stupid wax.
The waves are really small but fun. I'm gonna give this thing a go. You almost pinned me.